bases, the foundations. 3, 2, 1, go! All's app burner, all's batch, all's compute optimizer, all's elastic beanstalk. All's lambda, all's local zones, all's natro enclaves, all's outpost family. All's outpost rack, all's outpost service, all's parallel cluster, all's parallel computing service, all's serverless application repository, all's SimSpace Weaver, all's way big Amazon DCV, Amazon AC2, Amazon AC2, auto scaling, Amazon AC2 and its builder, Amazon elastic VMware service, Amazon Light Sail for research, bottle rocket, elastic fabric adapter, all's Fargate, Amazon ACX anywhere, Amazon ACX, Amazon Existro, Amazon elastic container registry, Amazon elastic container service, Amazon elastic Kubernetes service, Red Hat OpenShift service on all sauce, backup ops, elastic disaster recovery, all snowball edge, all storage gateway, Amazon F's, Amazon elastic block store, Amazon FSX for Luster, Amazon FSX for Neta ONTAP, Amazon FSX for OpenZeps, Amazon FSX for WFS, Amazon File Cache, Amazon S3 on Outposts, Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon Simple Storage Service, Glacier, all database migration service, Amazon Aurora, Amazon Document DB, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Elastic Cache, Amazon Key Spaces, Amazon Memory DB, Amazon Neptune, Amazon RDS, Amazon TimeStream, Oracle Data Basket, all source application discovery service, all application migration service, all data transfer terminals, beta sync, all mainframe modernization, all migration evaluator, all migration hub, all transfer family, all transform, all applications client VPN, all cloud map, all cloud WAN, all direct connect, all global accelerator, Sentinel, all private link, all Spark DB fabric, all site to site VPN, all transit gateway, all verified access, Amazon app gateway, Amazon application recovery controller, Amazon CloudFront, Amazon Route 53, Amazon VPC Lattice, Amazon virtual private cloud elastic load balancing, all artifact, all audit manager, all certificate manager, all cloud HATSUM, all directory service, all firewall manager, all IAM identity center, all identity and access management, all key management service, all network firewall, all payment cryptography, all private certificate authority, all resource access manager, all secret manager, all security agent, all security hub, all security incident response, all shield, all singer, all web, Amazon file directory, Amazon Cognito, Amazon detective, Amazon guard duty, Amazon inspector, Amazon Macy, Amazon security lake, Amazon verified permission, cloud, Amazon web services, build you're the future strong and wide, build, architect the world today, powering the infrastructure, it's OS app config, OS application, auto scaling, OS backend agent, OS chat, OS CloudFormation, OS CloudTran, OS compute optimizer, OS config, OS console mobile application, OS control tower, OS DevOps agent, OS distro for open telemetry, OS health dashboard, OS launch wizard, OS license manager, OS management console, OS organization, OS board central, OS Proton, OS resilience hub, OS resource explorer, OS service catalog, OS service management connector, OS sustainability, OS systems manager, OS telco network builder, OS trusted advisor, OS user notifications, OS well architected tool, Amazon CloudWatch, Amazon managed Grafana, Amazon managed service, Prometheus, OS billing conductor, OS budgets, OS cost explorer, OS cost and usage report, reserve instance reporting, savings plans, OS activate, OS IQ, OS managed services, OS professional services.